Hey everybody! I'm here today with a Nikon D3300 dial mode tutorial. In this video, I will be explaining every single option with this mode dial right over here. I will be going over every option explained. Let's get right into the video. The first one that it is set on right now is guide, which will give you guided menus. It's very simple. It's going to give you menus that will help you operate the camera. When we flip over, this is going to be the most common one that people use. It's the green one right here. It says auto on it, and this is auto mode. Basically, this is completely automatic. So everything about your photography shooting will be completely automatic. You just point and shoot for the most part. When we flip it over, you can see that this is the no flash auto setting. So this is the same thing. It is the auto setting, but with no flash available. So it's automatic, except the flash is off. When we move it to the next one over here, you can see that this is actually portrait mode. So this is great for flattering portraits. If you want to take a portrait style shot, this is absolutely perfect for that. This is portrait mode. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a portrait, just as you can see right over there. I'll bring this a little bit closer. My arms might get tired, so I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet. I can't really hold my arms in this position for too long. When we flip it to the next one, as you can see, this is actually landscape mode. Now, this is great for landscape shots because it keeps both near and distant objects in focus. So your objects that are near and your objects that are far away are going to remain in relatively sharp focus, which is great for landscapes because you have some stuff that are close up and some stuff that's far away. The next one is actually child mode. As you can see, it looks like a child right over there. And basically, this is going to be very, very similar to portrait mode, which looks like an adult portrait, except in child mode, you're going to get these vivid colors. It's going to really flaunt those vivid colors, okay? Next up, what we have over here is going to be sports mode. So you can see it looks like someone is running over there, kind of looks like they're kind of moving over there. And it's great because it has faster shutter speeds. So if you want to take any sports shots where people are moving quickly and you don't want any blur, you want to keep it as a sharp looking image, then you want to use sports mode. It's going to give you the faster shutter speeds, which is great because then it obviously lets light in much faster into the camera. And basically it just allows the images to be clear even if things are moving quickly. If you're taking a picture of a car, if you're taking a picture of someone running, sports mode is the one that you want to use. Okay? Next up over here, we have close-up. And you can see it looks like a little flower over there. Because if you were taking a close-up shot of a flower, this is the one that you're going to use. And it's great for close-up shots. It allows things that are near the lens of the camera to be sharp and very much so in focus. So close-up is the next option, okay? Next up on the list, we have the night shot option right here. So you can see it looks like a person and then there's a star in the corner, which signifies the night portrait option. I said night shot, I meant night portrait. And it's designed for night photos. If you're taking a photo at night, this is the option that you want to use because it's going to allow everything to look a little bit better and a little bit brighter and a little bit less grainy at nighttime, okay? Then obviously over here we have the effects mode, which you can go and use the variety of effects that are on the camera. And then with these over here, we have the different exposure settings. So right over here, we have the M for manual exposure. So we have manual exposure. You can set all of your exposure settings manually to be whatever you want them to be. Then we have A right here for aperture priority auto exposure. So if you want to set your aperture as your priority and auto expose the rest, that's the option for you. Over here we have S for shutter priority auto exposure. So this will prioritize your shutter options, and then the auto exposure is going to control the rest. And then last but not least, we have the programmed auto exposure. So obviously this is going to be for programmed, which is a great option. And then we're back at the beginning again. So we have the auto mode, which is the common mode that everyone often uses to take quick pictures that are, you know, just general photos. And then we have all of the other options that I've explained to you throughout the video. And that said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.